Hello, today we are going to make Lavash bread together. Soft and delicious bread that is famous in the Middle East. We add the flour, then we add about 3/4 of a teaspoon of yeast and add water. Half a cup at a temperature of 40 degrees Celsius. We cover the lid for 10 minutes to allow the yeast to activate, then we add the salt and sugar. We also add a tablespoon of flax seeds. The crushed flax seed, meaning ground flax seed, and we add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. The dough is being kneaded, starting off at a low speed and then gradually increasing to medium speed. We also add approximately 2 tablespoons of high-quality olive oil to the mixture. We make sure to remove it before it has a chance to stick to the mixing bowl. At low speed. Here we have skillfully formed a smooth dough. Then we transfer it to the fermentation vessel. We mix it with a little flour. We cover it with a little, wipe it with a bit of oil, cover it, and leave it for 2 hours to rise. Here it has doubled in size. We take it and cut it into the desired size, the size of the desired bread. We make every effort to ensure the pieces are as equal as possible. Here we have carefully formed 6 individual pieces of dough. We cover them and let them rise for 1/4 of an hour. This is how it looks after 1/4 of an hour. We start to flatten it. We make every effort to flatten it as much as we can to ensure it becomes as rectangular as possible. And we poke it. And we try. We carefully place it on a sheet of wax paper. Then we carefully transfer it to the baking tray. This tray should have a non-stick surface. The oven should be properly heated for a full 15 minutes while it is preheating to ensure optimal cooking conditions. Hot from the top. Use medium heat from the top while maintaining high heat from the bottom. Aim for a temperature range of 220 to 205, 200 to 220 degrees. As soon as the bubbles appear, we reduce the heat from the top. You should usually be near the oven to notice the bread baking. The bread during the baking process, and this is what it looks like after removing it from the oven. It is served with soups and salads, dips, delicious like hummus and pesto bread. Deliciously tasty and wonderfully light, definitely worth trying.